We got these sawhorses for our off-grid cabin project, and they have served us so well. They are super sturdy and durable. Extra strong. You can hook the wood right into these pieces right here to level it out. Attach your cords here. You have this base plate, and there's sawbuck attachments at the bottom that you can add onto the top if you need them. They are also super solid. Metaboo is a brand that we rely on and trust completely. And it really made a difference in everything we need to build here. And to show you how sturdy these are, I completely trust sitting on them myself. So solid. I recommend these Metaboo Sawhorses for your next project.